Zagara is here to serve your will.
Tell me, Zagara, how would you drive the Terrans from this world?
I would obliterate their fortress on the Dauntless Plateau. But the only way to reach it is through the Bone Trench. Be warned, the Terrans flooded our tunnels with lava. We will be exposed on the surface until we reach the plateau.
That doesn't concern me. Warfield has no idea what he's up against.
But what of the Zelnaga artifact? Could the Terrans still possess it?
They might, but I know it's not here on Char. It's no threat to us.
My queen, your chamber is now available. Within, you can alter your abilities.
Isha, all around me I see signs of the old Queen of Blades. But I can't remember why I held my forces here on Char for so long.
You were studying the future, planning for a great war.
What war? Explain.
You never told us. You only said that you had seen a vision of our extinction, and you wanted us to fight to the last.
I don't remember that. At all. Do you know why I beat you in battle?
You were stronger than I.
No.
Faster then.
No.
Do not toy with me, my queen. Tell me your secret.
Talk to Abathur in the evolution pit.
He will tell me?
He will change you. Go. The swarm is growing again. Now for you, Warfield. Reclaiming this world will send a message to your Emperor. I'm coming for him.
This is your personal chamber. From here, you can focus your neural pathways and alter your active abilities. As you grow in power, newer and stronger abilities will awaken. You can alter your active abilities here whenever you wish.
Tell me about the changes you made to Zagara.
Brood Mother template already allowed complex problem solving, learning, ability to command broods, multiple focuses. Now added muscle density, expanded brain matter. Now able to hypothesize multiple scenarios, cognitive flexibility.
Perhaps I should add this to all future brood mothers.
Extraneous brain matter deemed unnecessary for broodmother role in swarm. Extra matter requires extra energy. Also leads to increased independence. This contradicts imperative. Zerg must present no danger to leader of swarm.
Times are changing. I want my minions as dangerous as possible.
To reach the Dauntless Plateau, we must move the swarm through the Bone Trench. The Terrans will bring everything they have against us.
The Bone Trench. This is the only approach to the Terran fortress. I tried to bring my brood through here once before. The Terrans brought their Gorgon battle cruisers from the skies. They strafed us over and over. My brood bled and died, along with any hope of pushing the Terrans from Char.
Wait, those are Scourge nests. They could bring down a Gorgon. We just need to reawaken them.
My queen, we should simply race through the trench, not waste time fighting Gorgons. If we surprise the Terrans, we can make it through with acceptable losses.
And if we don't, the swarm dies. You need to learn vision, Zagara. Planning, calculation, cunning. We can use this creep tumor to spawn a tumor near the Scourge nest. Once it's awake, Warfield's Gorgon is done for. Speak quickly. Out with it.
My queen, General Warfield has called in a Gorgon. It is headed for our hive cluster.
That ship is huge. No wonder Warfield can't deploy 2 of them into the trench at once.
He only needs one.
Hurry. Spread creep to those Scourge nests so we can place a creep tumor by them.
That will awaken the Scourge nest. I hope it is enough to destroy the Gorgon.
This world is...
Discovered usable essence within Zerg biomass. Valuable sequences. Recover will empower Queen of Blades.
You can spawn more overlords to increase your supply.
You have my attention. Push ahead. There's not much time. The swarm never rests. Nothing stands in my way. Let's get this over with. Push ahead. Get going. There's not much time. Speak. Who asked you? The swarm. Out with it. What is it now? You have my attention. This world is mine. Yes? Let's get this over with. Get going. Push ahead. There's not much time. Nothing stands in my way. Get going. The swarm never rests. This world is mine. Push ahead. You have my attention. Nothing stands in my way. Let's get this over with. There's not much time. Get going. Out with it. Yes? Push ahead. Who asked you? The swarm never rests.
We have a creep tumor by the first Scourge nest.
Speak quick. Awaken. Annihilate that Gorgon. the end, Warfield.
The Scourge Nest spent its entire life force to take out the Gorgon.
We have more. Get a creep tumor by the next one. Move! Let's get this over with. You have my attention. Yes? Get going. The swarm never rests. Push ahead.
Your extractors require 3 drones to harvest Vespene at maximum efficiency.
Who asked you?
Get another Gorgon into the fight.
Out with it. Let's get this over with. This world is a swarm hungry. You have my attention. What is it? Who asked you? There's not much time.
Deploy drop pods.
Nothing stands in my way. Get going.
Not enough energy.
Speak quickly. This world is mine. Out with it. Let's get this over with. There's not much time. Yes? The swarm never rests.
Thank you, my queen. There are more of my brood burrowed among the dead.
I may want to keep you near the front lines to spawn creep tumors.
I understand. The more tumors there are, the faster creep spreads. We require more minerals. Spawn more overlords.
Get going.
Spawn more overlords.
Yes? There's not much time.
Spawn.
The swarm never rests. What is it now?
Mutation.
There's not much. 2 down. There's more coming. Spread the creep.
Bring in a Gorgon. Crush Kerrigan.
Out with it. This world is mine.
We require more minerals. We require more minerals.
Speak quickly. Who asked you? Nothing stands in my way. The swarm never rests. The swarm hungers. Nothing stands in my way. Push ahead. Out with it. This world is mine. Get going. There's not much time. Nothing stands in my way.
Our forces should avoid the Gorgon. Only a Scourge Nest can destroy it. So more overlords.
Out with it. Let's get this over with. This world is mine. There's not much time. Get going. Push ahead. The swarm never rests. Nothing stands in my way. This world is mine. Let's get this over with. The swarm never rests. Let's get this over with. There's not much time. Another Gorgon down. Keep it up. Awaken more Scourge nests.
Call in another Gorgon.
You have my attention.
Mission complete.
There's not much time. Let's get this over with. Nothing stands in my way. Push ahead. Yes? Get going. The swarm never rests. You have my attention. Speak quickly. Out with it. Push ahead. Who asked you? The swarm never rests. Yes? The swarm hungry. You have my attention. Speak quickly. There's not much time.
We require more minerals.
What is it now? Let's get this over with. Nothing stands in my way. Get going. Yes? This world is mine.
Our forces are under attack. More minerals.
Got another one. Leave this planet to me, Warfield.
Never, Kerrigan.
General Warfield called in another Gorgon, my queen.
Lots of bones in that trench. All Zerg. You'll join them soon enough.
Nothing.
We require more.
Get going. There's not much time. Push ahead. Out with it. This world is mine. Speak quickly. Nothing stands in my way. The swarm never rests. Who asked you? Let's get this over with. The swarm never rests. Get going. Yes? Push ahead.
Biomass obtained. Good sequences.
There's not much time. It's over with. Yes? Nothing stands in my way.
Our forces are under attack.
Gorgon! You'll pay for this, Kerrigan. Get another Gorgon into the fight.
Under attack. Our forces are under attack.
The swarm never rests. Speak quickly. This world is mine. There's not much time.
Get a strike team to that Scourge nest before the Zerg activate it.
Another Gorgon down. Keep it up. Awaken more Scourge nests.
I claimed this planet in the name of the Terran Dominion. I'm not gonna lose it.
Oh, I think you are. This is your last Gorgon, isn't it? Get going. Push ahead. You have my attention. This world is mine. There's not much time. Let's get this over with. What is it now? The swarm never rests. The swarm hungers. Out with it. Nothing stands in my way. Get going. There's not much time. Let's get this over with. Push ahead. This world is mine.
We must place that on creep.
Speak quickly. There's not much time. Get going. The swarm never rests. The swarm hungers. Speak quickly. Let's get this over with. There's not much time.
Repeat, all Dominion forces in the trench, retreat! We've lost control. Kerrigan, this is Warfield. I know you can hear me. I have a message for you. Bring everything you have. Bring your whole swarm. I don't want to hunt down stragglers after we wipe you out.
I'll see you on the Dauntless Plateau, old man.